In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. If you've ended up with duplicate accounts, maybe from imports, renaming, or team members creating similar accounts, merging is the cleanest way to consolidate them. It keeps your books accurate by combining all transactions from the duplicate into the primary account. Just a quick reminder, merging cannot be undone, so make sure you're confident about which account you want to keep before you proceed. It's also a good idea to have admin access and, if you can, download a quick report for reference. Let's get started. From the QuickBooks Home dashboard, click All Apps. In the Accounting section, select Chart of Accounts. This is your full list of accounts and where you'll find both the duplicate account you want to remove and the primary account you want to keep. Locate the duplicate account. You can scroll or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've found it, look at the action column to the right, click the small arrow drop-down next to that account, and choose Edit. This opens the account details. In the Account Name field, type the exact name of the account you want to merge into, the primary account. The name must match perfectly, including capitalization and spacing. Next, make sure the account type and detail type are identical to the primary account settings. This is crucial. QuickBooks can only merge accounts when these fields match. If they don't, QuickBooks will treat them as different, and the merge won't go through. As a tip, accounts also need to share the same currency, and if you're dealing with sub-accounts, their parent relationships must align. When everything matches, click Save. QuickBooks will display a message letting you know that merging accounts cannot be undone. Read that carefully, and if you're sure you're merging the right accounts, click Yes to confirm. That's it. The duplicate account is now merged into the primary account, and all the transactions from the duplicate are combined with the account you kept. You'll notice the duplicate no longer appears in your chart of accounts, and your reports will reflect the consolidated history. If something looks off, review your primary accounts register, or run a quick profit and loss or balance sheet to confirm the totals align with your expectations. Cleaning up duplicates this way helps streamline reporting, reduces confusion, and keeps your accounting structure tidy without losing any transactional history. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for